The story of Easter is all about life and how Jesus made it possible for us to have eternal life. That's life with God that never ends. While Jesus was on earth, he spent his time helping people, healing those who were sick, and doing other amazing things. He taught everyone how to love each other and how to be friends with God. But some people didn't like what Jesus said. They didn't believe he was God's son, and they didn't like being told that we all do wrong things. They got so angry that they made a plan to stop him. Jesus was arrested and treated very unfairly. Even though he had done nothing wrong, they said he must die. Then they nailed him to a wooden cross. It was a horrible and very painful way to die. As he died, the sky went dark in the middle of the day. The guard watching Jesus saw all this and cried out, "Surely he was the Son of God!" Jesus' body was placed in a tomb, and a big stone was put at the entrance. His followers were very sad. When Jesus died, he took the blame for every wrong and selfish thing we have ever done. Those wrong things were like a wall between us and God. But when Jesus died, he broke that wall down. 3 days later, the best thing ever happened. The stone was rolled away and Jesus came back to life. He offers us the best gift ever, eternal life. That means we can be friends with God right now, and we get to live in his amazing love forever.